So let's get started by creating the entrance for the maze game. Students may choose their entrance as per their plan. This is just an example for us to demonstrate how do we move that part to a particular position and scale it up by using the properties section. So you can go to the model and create a part. So I'm going to create a bush like structure or a hedge. So I'm going to use block as my part, and here if you go closer you will see that the block is already appeared. In the explorer section also you will find the part uh, appearing right there. Now here if you see, we have learned that we can use scale option to scale the part, and you can also use this move option to move it across the screen. Now, this is going to be more like a relative position and relative scale uh, because it depends upon the camera angle as well. Now, how do you make it sure that this is the exact size and exact position that you would like in your plan? So for that, the properties section comes handy. You will find in the data section here, right here, you will find there is a position. So if you click on the arrow, there is a breakdown of X, Y, and Z. So for the position, let's take an example where you would want to keep this part right at the center of this canvas. So I'm going to choose X as 0 and Y is going to be the position or the height from the ground. So let it be the way it is and change Z to 0. And the part has been already moved to the center. So if you play test, then you will find that your uh, player will land right at the center, and that is exactly where the part has been placed. So I'm going to do the test run by choosing play, and let's see where the part is. Yeah, there you go. You're right there on the part, and this is at the center of the canvas because x is 0, z is 0. Now, again, using the properties section, you can also decide the exact size of this part. So I'm going to go there and select this part, and once you select, the property section will appear. Make sure that the anchored is turned on, and collisions app option in the home is also ticked. It's turned on. Okay, now let's come back to its position. uh, oh, not position, the size. So you'll go to the appearance section and choose the material and color. You let the students choose as per their interest. And now we're coming to the part section where there is size. So in the size, again, there are x, y, and z. I'm going to keep x, which is the length, as 75, height as 15, and I want the z or the width to be 2. And this is how you can choose the precise height, width, and length, as well as the position of your part by simply entering the numbers. Now you can select the part and do Control D and duplicate the part and place it uh, right there parallelly next to each other. And again, you can decide the distance between the two by positioning these two parts um, using the properties section. So let the student do this much, and we'll understand how do we build on this maze and make sure that the distance or the path uh, for the player is equidistant. We'll get to that shortly.